Okay, your panel's installed and PowerG is everywhere.
What is PowerG?
So glad you asked. PowerG is the signal that connects our security and automation devices.
Oh, like Bluetooth.
Like Super Bluetooth. Two-way encryption for added security.
Oh, that's cool.
And extended range.
Like 60 feet?
Like 6,000 feet. So serious protection and massive range, all on the IQ platform. That's PowerG.
Whoa, and this is everywhere you say?
Absolutely, PowerG everywhere. And with our new IQ sockets, you can make everything PowerG.
PowerG everything?
Everything, everywhere. That's PowerG.
So, my lamps?
PowerG.
My toaster?
PowerG.
My Wi-Fi router?
PowerG.
His guitar amp?
Why would you want to... Got it. Yes, PowerG.
My Christmas lights? And Halloween decorations? My Arbor Day fountain?
Yes, PowerG. If you can plug it in, you can power it on or off with PowerG. Old school. I like it. But we don't clap them on and off. We actually control it with the Alarm.com mobile app.
Wow, you can PowerG everything.